What's up you guys, it's Judy here with My Life as Kikay. On this channel I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. In today's video, I am coming to you with yet another TEMT try-on clothing haul. Now these are from TEMT's winter sale. They are having a massive winter sale at the moment, or they were during the time when I purchased these. I think their winter sale is going to go on for another little while yet, and whether or not the sale is still going, I know that you guys enjoy my try-on hauls. Now what I really love about TEMT Australia is that their clothes are really affordable. I mean, granted, you get what you pay for, like they're cheap clothing. I find that their pants are, I wear them for a few times and they're probably not that great looking anymore, but they are a very nice fit on me and more appropriate for, you know, occasions where you don't have to dress up too much. Also, what I really love about TEMT is that they're very affordable and they're always up with the trends and styles and colors for the season, and they're constantly changing their range. Their sizing is quite good. I always find something that fits me well around the waist, around the boob, and the length of pants and all that sort of thing, except obviously for maxi dresses. Like, maxi dresses never fit me, doesn't matter what brand. So anyway, I have a few things that I bought here. I'm not gonna waffle on too much further. Before I get straight into this video, if you do enjoy it, then you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Let's get straight into this try-on haul. Now, I don't have to get changed for the first one, because the first one is this top. A lot of the things that I purchased here are all tops, so thank heavens, because I'm not quite sure how to manage showing you a full shot of me with the background and the lighting and all that stuff. I'm still figuring out my lighting situation. But anyway, the first thing I purchased is this top. Green is not a color, I have said before, green is not a color that I gravitate towards very much. But it's such a trending color right now, and I actually don't mind this color of green. It's not a bright, obnoxious type of green. It's more of a foresty green type of top. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the colors. And it's quite nice. It's not so heavy that I get really hot when I'm wearing it, but it's not too light that, I mean, it's winter, so it gives me a little bit of cover and a little bit of warmth. So I really like this. It's actually really cute. It's got a little bow tie at the front and the stripes. I love stripes. And the green is actually quite a nice green. So this is one of my favorite tops now. I'm just hoping that when I keep on washing it, the green isn't going to bleed into the white, because I find that that's a problem that I have with a lot of my white and darker striped tops. But anyway, it is what it is. I like this top. It's really cute. Now, I did have a thought. Since I have so much in this try-on haul, I'm just going to try them. I'm not going to explain them to you, because I mean, like, you can see what I'm wearing. You can see what I'm putting on. So I'm not going to like be like this and this and this, because it's like, it's white, it's green. And you're like, yes, I know, girl, I can see. so I'm just gonna put them on. I'm gonna model them for you and play a bit of music in the meantime. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this TEMT winter sale try-on haul. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video off wearing this top because I like it so much. I just love how it's long sleeve, but it's not so heavy, and it just looks really pretty. I never used to like to wear white and green and like orangey colors like this, but I don't know what's happening to me. My whole style is changing. I'm really into these colors and I'm enjoying wearing different style things. Like before, I would just wear black and only black and all black, and I would never wear any other color. But now I'm branching out into all different styles, different colors, and I'm really loving it. I'm loving being a little bit more explorative with my style, with my fashion, and just with clothing in general, and makeup, obviously with makeup. There was one more top that I did purchase, but I didn't want to put it on simply because I have so much makeup on my neck and I didn't want to put a mark of makeup on this white shirt. It's something that I'm going to have to put on first before I apply makeup for whenever the occasion comes where I do wear this shirt. But it's another white woolly feeling sort of top, similar to that other last white top that I wore. See, look, I accidentally put makeup on this white one as well. But the neckline of this is a lot tighter and more turtlenecky than this one. It's got kind of like a pearl, I'll turn the lights down so you can see. It's got a pearl necklace-like accent around the neckline and the top, and it's just like one of those really nice white, wintry, cozy, soft type of tops. Besides the jeans, I did purchase two other bottoms, but they're just two sets of plain black pants. They're exactly the same as the black pants that I bought from my last TEMT try-on haul. So I just bought another couple pairs of these for work. They don't wear very well. I find that because they are very tight on the butt, after I've worn them a couple times, you'll start to see the seam kind of like pull apart in the center where my butt is. Let me know if you enjoy TEMT try-on hauls. They are so much fun to do also because obviously I get new clothes and I love playing around with new and different styles. Like when I walked into the TEMT shop with my sister, I was like, I was not planning on buying anything. I walked in there and I was picking this and I was picking this and I was picking this and this and this, and I was like, ah!
Who let me in here? Who said it was a good idea to go into TEMT? Who let me loose in this shop?
I love TEMT so much, you guys. I really hope TEMT sees this video and maybe sponsors me for some lookbooks in the future. Who knows? I'm just putting it out into the universe. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really, truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yes, I know. I put makeup on this one. Why is this so bright? To see the seam kind of like pull apart in the center where my butt is. One day when I'm bending over wearing one of these pants, hopefully they don't split down the middle because I do not wear underwear. That's just probably TMI. But you know, underwear is overrated. Probably shouldn't put that out on the internet, but you know what? It's recorded now. It's going in the video. See, I put